Hello, friends. How are you feeling today? We have a very exciting lesson ahead. Look at this wonderful letterbox I have. Let's find the letter A. Here it is. Today, we will learn the first letter of the English alphabet, the letter A. Yes, many interesting words start with this letter. Are you ready? Let's go. Look how beautiful and important it is. Let's trace it on paper to remember it better. I'm placing the letter A on a sheet of paper. I take a pencil and start carefully tracing it. Try to do it smoothly and neatly, just like that. Great. Now you know what the letter A looks like, but that's not all. Learning letters is like unlocking a treasure chest of words. Let's keep unlocking more together. Now, let's color our letter. What color do you like? I'll take a red marker. It's so bright and cheerful. Let's carefully color the letter A. The most important thing is not to go over the lines. Look how beautiful our letter A turned out. You're doing such a great job. Every new letter brings us closer to becoming reading superheroes. What words do you know that start with the letter A? That's right, the most famous word is ant. Now it's time to get creative. Let's draw an ant. Did you know that in English, an ant is called ant? And this word starts with the letter A. I take a black marker and draw a small, cute little ant. Here's the head, the body, the legs, and the antennae. Done. What a funny little ant we've got. Now let's do something very interesting. I have the letters A, N, and T. Let's dip each letter in paint one by one and stamp it on paper. Let's start with the letter A, dip it in paint, and stamp it. Great. Now the letter N, dip and stamp. And the last letter T, done. Let's see what we got. A-N-T, ant. Well done, guys. You're real letter explorers. Isn't it amazing how much fun learning letters can be? Every new letter is a step towards discovering exciting new words. The more letters we learn, the more words we can create. Imagine all the stories you'll be able to tell. Exploring letters is like going on an adventure. And guess what? You're the star of this journey. Today, we learned the letter A and a new word, ant. We traced the letter, colored it, drew an ant, and stamped the word ant. You did a great job. Keep learning letters and words, and you'll succeed. See you soon, friends. Bye-bye.